Find the length from point B to point E in feet. In this problem, we're looking for the length from point B on the curve to a point E just inside the curve. The problem provides the distance between point A and point D, the distance between point D and point E, and the radius of the curve, r. To solve this problem, we'll first draw a line from point O to point B. We'll create a point F where this line crosses the line segment DE. To solve for the length of line segment BE, we'll solve for triangle FEB, where the length of line segment BE equals the length of line segment FE divided by the tangent of angle FBE. Next, we'll create point G, which is a projection of point B onto line segment AO. Since lines GO and BE are parallel, then angle GOB and angle FBE are equal. Angle GOB equals the arc sine of the quotient, the length of line segment GB divided by the length of line segment BO. Line segment BO is the same length as the radius, or 1,000 feet. The length of line segment GB is equal to the length of line segment DE, which is 160 feet. Using these values, angle GOB and angle FBE equal 9.21 degrees. The length of line segment FE is equal to the length of line segment DE minus the length of line segment DF. The problem states the length of line segment DE equals 160 feet. The length of line segment DF is equal to the length of line segment DO times the tangent of angle GOB. From before, we solved angle GOB to be 9.21 degrees. The length of line segment DO is equal to the length of line segment AO minus the length of line segment AD. The length of line segment AO is equal to the radius of the curve, which is 1,000 feet, and the length of line segment AD is given as 150 feet, which makes the length of line segment DO equal to 850 feet. The length of line segment DF equals 850 feet times the tangent of 9.21 degrees, which is 137.8 feet. The length of line segment FE equals 160 feet minus 137.8 feet, or 22.2 feet. And finally, the length of line segment BE equals 22.2 feet divided by the tangent of 9.21 degrees, which equals 136.9 feet. When reviewing the possible solutions, the answer is D.